Someone actually dropped on my live stream. She said I should do a video on how much YouTube pay for 1K live stream. And why I'm actually going to be delivering this particular video is because this is not the first, second, or third time she's asking. So, and one thing I do not want to put out there is if I ask my people to ask me the kind of videos that they actually want me to create, I should be able to deliver down to their table. So in today's video, I'll show you guys typically how much a 1K live stream can actually earn for you. Now, the good part of this particular one I want to use for this analysis is there was no super chat on this particular live stream, so nobody super chatted at all. So if you do not know, if anybody super chats you on your live stream, the earning on that particular live stream will definitely be high because someone actually super chatted or super thanks or super stickers or whatsoever. But in this particular one I want to use today, there was no super chat at all. So I have to thoroughly find my way in to ensure that there is no super chat on this particular one that I want to use. And this live stream is 2 hours, 13 minutes and 40 seconds live stream. You understand what I'm trying to say? So now I'll open this up like this so that we are going to go into the analytics together, which is me and you. And as you guys can see, the overall view that this particular live stream has here after it has been published, it is showing you, let me remove my face tracking so that this will stop tracking my face. It is showing you 200 and something views. Now this 297 views that is showing you is simply the one that this particular live stream gathered, like the one that live stream accumulates after the live stream. But in total, this particular video has gotten 1K view, and this is where the 1K view is. So let me also show you guys. So this is the video I'm using here, which is this particular video. You can see that the video has gotten 1K view on dots. You understand? So with that being said, I'll just go ahead, start my screen record, and then show you guys how much YouTube paid for the 1K live stream. Okay, so let's go. So my live stream, my screen record is all started. As you guys can see, like I said, this is what is going to be showing you. But if you check the other side that I showed you, it has gotten like 1K view. So right now, the engagement on this particular video, let's go to the engagement of this video, 4.3K impression, and you can see browse future notification, a vertical feed, which is how viewers found the video, and you can see external, not enough traffic to show this, and you can see content suggesting this particular live stream. They are all my content except for one content that I don't know who is the owner. So let's go to the engagement. For the engagement, you can see the watch hour is 5.8 watch time. Audience retention is 1 minute for a 2 hours live stream. Audience retention is 1 minute because you know that a lot of people will not have interest to go and rewatch live stream, and it's normal. So if you go further, let's click on the audience. If you click on the audience, returning viewers is 688, and of which this is beautiful and I'm grateful. You can see viewers also watch these particular videos, and you can see the device are actually watching it: mobile, computer, TV, tablet, and you can see then the age category 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 34, okay, 44. And you can see the gender, both male and female. I feel like it's because even when I was live streaming, a lot of people were already coming as male and female. Geographic, which is the top country watching: Nigeria, United States, and Kenya. And you can see top subtitles / languages, as you guys can see here: English. Subscribe, you can see that people that are subscribed is 74%. And people that are not subscribed is 25%. And of which this is one beautiful part about live stream. It simply means that my subscribers are always coming back for this particular live stream or for my live stream in generally. Now let's go to the revenue because I do not want to waste anybody's time. Now the revenue on this live stream is $2.08. $2.08 for a live stream of 2 hours. You can see watch paid ads has 47%. Like I said, this live stream there was no super chat and so on and so forth. And then you can see the total view that this live stream actually have. You can see it's here 1K. That's why I showed you guys from the onset. I can see revenue for every 1K view I get to make $1.90. Okay, and then now you can see how much advertisers are paying. You can see it here, $3.85, and you can see the earnings by skippable display bomber and non-skippable. So this live stream has generated $2.08. The live stream that was done on the 24th of June, and today is July 22. This is going to make it approximately like 2 days to make it like 1 month or something like that. Anyways, this is how much it made. It made $2.08. Now, I just ended my screen record. The question is live stream paying that much? For me, the answer is no. But if you have people that are supporting you, super chatting you, you are going to earn more on live stream compared to your long form videos. There are live streams that I've done before, and I have people support me of getting over $100 on just that live stream at a go. You understand? So it depends. That is why I always encourage you as well to put more effort in creating your long form videos, because your long form videos is one of the things that pays better on YouTube. But why I always encourage live stream as well is the beautiful part is, forget about the super chats, you will have that opportunity to communicate with your subscribers, like engage with your subscribers one-on-one. And since this is what YouTube actually added to the YouTube future for you to be able to do live stream, so I will advise that doing live stream is very important. Live stream has helped me personally to build connections with my followers, build engagement with my followers, build a strong community and a strong bond. There are people that once I am live streaming like this, there is no way you are going to see them there. They are always there back to back to support, even with their taps, their likes, their super chat, joining membership. And one that beautiful part I love about live stream is it gives you that edge to know your subscribers like one-on-one. You understand? So that is why I always advise to go live stream. Live stream do not pay much. There are some videos that are even up more than this particular 1K video that I use and do this analysis on my live stream that is earning less, like way, like 99% of, or let me not say 99%, 70% of live stream, of my own live stream, let me talk about myself. Without super chat, it is 0 point something cents that you're going to be seeing there for every 1K view. But if God blesses you and then there's something like super chat, you're going to be seeing some live streams, 1K view, $80 something, $50 something, $40 something, $30 something, just depending on how you are able to do it. You understand? So anyways, this is how much 1K view paid on live stream. And I hope you that asked this question, this is actually going to go a long way for you, because I know you have been waiting for my answer, and finally I've been able to drop the answer down to your table. So anyways, if you have not subscribed, like this, drop me your comments. And lastly, do not forget to share. Let me know in the comment section, will you still be doing live stream? I really do want to know in the comment section. And if you have been doing live stream, how much have you been able to earn on your live stream, like directly from your live stream? I would really love to know without super chat at all. I would really love to know in the comment section. Anyways, if you're still struggling with your YouTube channel, you don't even know what to do, how to do it, what or where to do it, what we just do for you basically is we help you check if everything is intact. All you need to do is to send us a mail, 3195@gmail.com, which is this mail that you're seeing here, and check out the flyer that is also displayed on the screen. Send us a mail and let's get your coaching section started. Like I said, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If you have any video you actually want me to film for you, feel free to drop it for me in the comment section, because my job is, as I'm seeing the video, I am filming for you automatically. Bye for now, and I love you guys. Mwah.